No, Griffin! Oh my God! This is crazy! Could you break that ball, Griffin? Because I'm going to be mad at you.
Uh-oh.
Told you he would. Now he's scared of me. Wait, he popped it? Griffin, you popped it. Wait. Really? You're scared of it? Again? You're scared of it? When you were happy? You're a weird dog. Now he's playing with himself. Well, with the ball, but by himself with the ball. Confused, whatever. Melly, I told you that was not strong. It's inflated. Well, no, it's done. There's no more air in that. And you're drooling on there. Daddy, the dog, you should make the crazy dog. Griffin. Sophie. Who's crazy little? Oh, he's crazy. He's a crazy dog. Woo. Cake bowl. Really? A cake has yellow in it. Hello. But and this dog it popped that. You don't say it popped that. You say it popped the ball. Griffin popped the ball. Now he's caked it. Now he's caked it. It's alive! Oh no, I need to go to another live place! I need to go alive! I need to go to the live place! Why did you do that? It's alive! Bye! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Daddy, I want to see the video.